Hi, welcome to this video of our series on creating Bluetooth Low Energy or Wireless LAN tests with Keysight X8711A using C#. In the earlier video, we have learned to create an instrument communication session and perform BLE measurements. And for this video, we are going to look at establishing wireless LAN signaling link, followed with the measurement setup and configuration. This begins with calling the method wireless LAN initialize to set up the tester to the wireless LAN mode. To perform a RX-PR test in wireless LAN, first the tester needs the DUT to join the network. The method configure signaling is used to set up the radio network parameters of the tester, such as the frequency channel to be connected, SSID to be broadcasted, and the connection credential information. The tester can act as an access point or station by defining the instrument type. In this example, it is set up as an access point that will allow station type DUT to be connected to. The method initialize signaling mode, set signaling mode, and get link establishment status are then being called in sequence to initiate the link connection to the DUT and to check the connection status. A true value will be returned by the method if the DUT is successfully connected to the tester. You could use the method signaling mode PR.DUT MAC address to retrieve the MAC address of the connected DUT. Let's move to RX-PR test. It begins by calling the method initiate and follow with configure it for setting up the test parameter of the PR test, which are the number of data packets to be sent, the payload size of the packet, time interval between the data packets, and the timeout in milliseconds for DUT to respond to a ping. The method acquire is used to execute tests, and the PR result in percentage will be returned. During the PR test, the tester sends a ping to the connected DUT and expects a response between the specific time frame. Any missing packet will be considered as error packet. This process is repeated until it reaches the number of data packets specified in the configure. Remember to close the wireless LAN network connection using the abort method after completing the RX-PR test. As for TX output power measurement, call the method measure wireless LAN TX power from the RF class. The power sensor of the tester captures the beacon signal or probe request signal and measure the time-gated burst power. Average power in dBm will be returned. You could specify the upper and lower signal trigger level and the number of readings to be acquired. In this example, 10 readings will be acquired and returned as result. Here, I use a for each loop to format the decimal digit of the result and calculate the average TX power, then display in the console message. Averaging the readings is a good way to improve the accuracy of your measurement. Upon test completion, perform the proper signaling communication and the instrument session closure. Okay, now let's run the program and perform the test. The console message will display the IDN of the instrument, MAC address of the DUT, the RX-PR, and the TX output power test result respectively. Well, I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and for choosing Keysight.